So just a quick report about what PACE is doing during the lockdown season. PACE is Programme for Applied Christian Education. We partner with local churches to help everyone in schools explore the Christian faith. So normally we're face-to-face, in person, in schools, primary and secondary, doing assemblies, lunchtime clubs and RE lessons as well. We've switched during lockdown right over to video production basically and resource production for the schools. Keith, who's full-time on our team for primary schools, he's busy at work in touch with the leaders of primary schools, producing resources to send home for RE, which is fantastic, and maintaining good contact with those schools, whilst also building up a bank of fresh, newly prepared resources for when we get to go in face-to-face. Myself, I'm busy every day, full-time at the moment as well, producing video content. So we're, me and my colleague Andy Mason, for primary schools, we're producing 3 assemblies a week, video assemblies that is, and sending those to primary schools to use with key worker kids in the schools, to play to them that way whilst they can't have face-to-face guests in school, but also to send home to families to watch at home. So I'm really excited actually about the idea of whole families watching some of these assembly videos together at home on their devices or on the screen. So also once a week we're producing an RE lesson for secondary schools, a video version of what I do in the secondary schools as well. So there's 4 new videos every week, 3 assemblies for primary schools, 1 RE lesson for secondary schools each week, going out to the schools and all our contacts and supporters as well. So it's giving people a real insight into what we normally do face-to-face, but it's also keeping good contact with the schools during this time and just reminding them that we're here and we've got good stuff for them to use. I guess that's how we're doing our bit for people at the moment, and giving people an opportunity whilst they're learning or engaged with other things at home, an opportunity to stop and pause and reflect and ask the bigger questions of life about God and his care for us as well. So thanks for your prayers. I hope it's helpful to have this little update about what PACE is up to during this time.